Rise from the hashtag. A tale of unity and transformation. The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm, orange glow over the small town of Crestwood. It had been an ordinary place for as long as anyone could remember, a community where everyone knew everyone, and life had its predictable rhythm. Yet, as the evening of October 17th unfolded, it became apparent that Crestwood was on the cusp of something extraordinary. It all began with a simple hashtag. The spark. As with many small towns, Crestwood had been struggling. The economy was sluggish, and young people were leaving in search of better opportunities. Angela, a young woman in her mid-20s, felt the weight of her hometown stagnation more than most. She had grown up in Crestwood and watched as it gradually lost its charm. One evening, Angela was scrolling through her social media feed, feeling the monotony of her life closing in on her. She stumbled upon a post with the hashtag #ReviveCrestwood. It was accompanied by a picture of the town square, now worn and neglected. The caption read, "Crestwood, we can do better. Let's revive our town and make it a place we're proud to call home. Share your ideas with the hashtag #ReviveCrestwood." The post had been made by Mark, a young entrepreneur who had recently returned to Crestwood after a successful stint in the city. He had a vision of revitalizing their community and was calling on others to join him. Angela was captivated by the post. She had always loved Crestwood, and it pained her to see it suffer. With a determined glint in her eye, she picked up her phone and began to compose her own post. In it, she shared her vision of a vibrant, thriving Crestwood where local businesses flourished, parks were well maintained, and the community came together. She included the hashtag #ReviveCrestwood hashtag and hit post. The ripple effect. Angela's post quickly gained traction. Friends and acquaintances started sharing it, adding their own thoughts and ideas for revitalizing the town. The hashtag #ReviveCrestwood began to trend locally, catching the attention of residents who had long given up on the possibility of change. Within days, Angela and Mark were overwhelmed by the response. A local baker, Mary, shared a post with a heartfelt message about her dream of opening a community cafe where people could gather and enjoy delicious treats. Others followed suit, sharing their hopes and aspirations for Crestwood. The hashtag soon reached beyond Crestwood, capturing the hearts of people from neighboring towns who saw the potential for positive change. Community building. The hashtag movement had turned into a rallying cry for Crestwood. People began to organize meetings and brainstorming sessions to bring these ideas to life. Angela, Mark, and others took the initiative to form a committee dedicated to community improvement. They invited locals, including business owners, artists, and young professionals, to join. The committee members met regularly, sharing their visions and brainstorming strategies. Angela, Mark, Mary, and other enthusiastic volunteers were determined to bring these ideas to fruition. As the group started discussing practical steps, the energy in the room was palpable. They were not just talking about revitalizing Crestwood, they were taking action. The Dream Cafe. Mary, the baker, was particularly excited about her dream of opening a community cafe. She had been baking delicious pastries and bread for years, but this was her chance to do something more significant. With the support of the committee, Mary found a suitable location in the heart of Crestwood, a charming, old building that had been abandoned for years. Renovating the building was no small feat, but the community rallied behind Mary. Local carpenters, electricians, and volunteers joined forces to bring the Dream Café to life. The process was challenging, with its fair share of setbacks, but the #Revive Crestwood movement provided the motivation to persevere. The grand opening. Months passed, and the Dream Café was finally ready for its grand opening. The entire community was abuzz with excitement. The café was transformed into a warm, inviting space, filled with the mouth-watering aroma of freshly baked goods. On the morning of the grand opening, Crestwood's residents lined up outside, eagerly waiting for their turn to step into the Dream Café. Mary and her team had prepared an array of delectable treats, from flaky croissants to creamy cheesecakes. The café was adorned with artwork from local artists, and the atmosphere was brimming with camaraderie. As the ribbon was cut, marking the café's official opening, the cheers and applause were deafening. Crestwood had come together to support Mary's dream, and it was a moment of immense pride for everyone involved. The Dream Café quickly became a symbol of the town's revival, and it attracted visitors from neighboring areas. A rejuvenated town square. The success of the Dream Café was just the beginning. The #Revive Crestwood movement had caught the attention of local authorities and business owners. They recognized the potential for change and decided to invest in the town square, a central location that had long been neglected. The town square underwent a transformation. Old, worn-out benches were replaced, and the fountain was restored to its former glory. A local artist was commissioned to create a mural that depicted the history and future of Crestwood. The square became a hub of activity, with farmers' markets, live music performances, and various community events. As the town square came back to life, more businesses followed suit. Entrepreneurs opened shops, and existing businesses saw an uptick in their fortunes. The once quiet town square was now bustling with people, and it became a symbol of Crestwood's resurgence. Uniting the generations. One of the most beautiful aspects of the #Revive Crestwood movement was its ability to bridge generational gaps. Young and old, long-time residents and newcomers, everyone found common ground in the desire to make Crestwood a better place. Local schools joined in, with students contributing their artwork to the town square mural and organizing fundraisers to support community projects. Seniors, who had witnessed Crestwood's ups and downs over the years, shared their stories and wisdom, becoming mentors to the younger generation. The town began to host intergenerational events, fostering a sense of unity among its residents. Crestwood was no longer a place divided by age or background, it was a community brought together by a shared dream. The power of social media. The success of the #Revive Crestwood movement was a testament to the power of social media in mobilizing people for a common cause. The movement had spread far beyond Crestwood, inspiring other small towns facing similar challenges to take action. The #movement gained recognition in regional and even national media. News outlets ran stories on Crestwood's transformation, highlighting the impact of the #ReviveCrestwood movement. The movement's success became a source of motivation and inspiration for people across the country, sparking similar movements in their own communities. A town reborn. Years passed, and Crestwood had undergone a remarkable transformation. The town was thriving, and its community had never been stronger. The Dream Cafe, Town Square, and numerous other initiatives had not only revived Crestwood's economy but also its spirit. The once declining town was now a destination for tourists and a place where young people were choosing to stay and build their futures. The success of #ReviveCrestwood had shown that with determination, unity, and a shared vision, any community could overcome its challenges. The ongoing journey. Crestwood's journey was far from over. The #ReviveCrestwood movement had become a permanent part of the town's identity, a reminder that with collective effort and determination, anything was possible. The residents continued to work on new projects and initiatives, ensuring that Crestwood would remain a vibrant and thriving community. The impact of a simple social media trend had changed the course of Crestwood's history. It had brought unity, hope, and transformation to a place that had once felt forgotten. The story of Crestwood was a testament to the power of the human spirit and the ability of a community to rise from the ashes, inspired by a hashtag and fueled by a shared dream. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to learn English through watching these kinds of interesting stories daily. Please click on the screen on any video showing on your screen to watch it next. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.